everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special guest.
Of course I'm special.
welcome.
Hello.
I don't know which video is it going to be on the channel today. Maybe the second, maybe the third, I'm not sure. But basically, recently we bought this, what's this? A microphone.
Yes, for karaoke.
For karaoke.
Right.
As you know, circuit breaker, phase 1, phase 2, we cannot go sing K. So we're a bit deprived, very sad. So we decided to buy a wireless microphone. Wireless microphone from China.
The thing is, I didn't actually look into the specifications when I bought it, but it looks like something that we all know. Alright, let's move on.
So we'll just unbox this whole thing and then we will probably try it out and see how it sounds like. Maybe we can sing a few songs, we don't know.
We can try.
We can try. Okay, so let's get to unboxing. I let help your face with it. Yeah. It's quite cute. It looks a bit like a Xiaomi phone like that.
Okay.
So he using pen knife and this is my nails.
No, I think we should cut this properly, you know, like cut along these lines so they can actually protect the box.
But I already used my nails to cut it already.
Why?
I'm Malaysian. I see when you do it the proper way, yeah, this might take so long and I'm already done with it.
It's okay, have patience. Right, so you do this right, see? Oh,
Groundbreaking. You just spoiled the box.
no, I did not. Alright, so it's supposed to come out nicely, like that, yes. And the plastic still intact.
How would you do that though?
Such that you can, after that you can use your scotch tape to tape the plastic onto the box.
And then resell.
So,
okay, so the unboxing time is here.
right, let's do this.
Wow. Blackpink in your area.
It's just nice, because actually you wanted the black.
I didn't want the pink.
Like he said he wants the pink. Shut up. So then it looks like.
So that's how it looks like. Do not say this is a family friendly channel.
Okay.
Ta-da! It really does look like a
It's really quite cute, isn't it?
It is quite cute though.
So you just. Okay, wait.
Yeah.
There's this, the microphone itself. What else then? Oh, there's this. Right. And then there's this cable. And then this one. This is the one that.
I think you connect
The audio jack. Yes. So
Brilliant. Okay.
Small piece. Side by side.
You cover your face like this. That is quite cute. Okay, so how does it work?
Yeah, let's see the buttons. Right? There's a plus, minus, and plus, minus. What is this? What is that?
Like,
So the first one is there's a microphone logo.
I think that's the volume.
The one below looks my long. Oh yeah. Possibly. Okay, let's try first. Let's turn it
How do
on.
you turn it on?
Testing. 1, 2, 3.
As you should look at it.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing.
Manual.
Testing. Oh. Maybe it's not charged.
Oh, I see. Okay, so how it works is that you need to connect it to let's say a speaker, for example, and then you can just sing the in sync with this, and then they'll transmit to the speaker.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this itself you cannot.
No, cannot broadcast. Did we up? Yes.
Really?
Well, it sure looks that way.
Alright, stay tuned to find out more. Bye. Again. Why is it successful?
Lying.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Test.
Test everywhere. Hello. See the problem now is we
Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow.
It's pretty
The
good.
sound effect is pretty good.
Well,
Right.
it's actually pretty good. But I think the issue now is
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3.
this sounds like a microphone used for like emceeing events. And
Yeah.
it's a small time portable microphone thing. So which means that, for example, you can have this on,
Yes.
and then you turn on the music elsewhere. So I think what should be done now is that you'll connect this to one speaker.
Enter the Bluetooth line.
You put it into a speaker, and then we need to use another speaker to like broadcast the song. You know what I mean?
What if you have a phone and then the song is playing through your phone, right? And then you can sing into this, and then your voice actually comes up from your phone. Is it possible?
You can try.
Testing. Testing. Let's work on.
Test, 1, 2, 3, testing this mic, trying to see how it sounds like. Oh, it sounds very nice on that phone actually. Which means it has to be a dual setup kind of situation. Which is fine. But this means we probably just need one mic.
Can only do one mic.
Or two speakers.
This is stupid. This video is sponsored by Subway.
No, we are not. So I think the issue is the microphone does not have a speaker of its own. So it's gotta connect to an external speaker. But we bought it under the impression that it has an inbuilt speaker. So it's fine. It's okay. I think the quality itself is actually pretty good. Right? Yeah. Test. So actually the mic itself works quite well, I think. But it's really just the issue of like we can't find any connector. So next plan probably is gonna try a dual prong 3.5mm jack kind of situation and figuring out how it goes. But it's fine. The mic itself is pretty good, it's pretty handy.
Line.
Shut the fuck up. It's pretty good and the quality itself is pretty decent as well. So we're just gonna find a way to make it work and it will be fine. I think I like it a lot. It's pretty cute.
I love it too. Yeah.
And we're gonna find ways to have fun with it. So yeah. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for today.
Hey guys.
Thanks for tuning in, guys.
Thank
and
you.
We'll see you in the next video.